Welcome to this tutorial on how to create tickets for your event on EventYob. In this video, I'll show you how to use the ticket editing tool to create new tickets and manage existing ones. With EventYob, it's easy to manage your tickets and prevent overselling. Let's get started. To access the tickets page, there are two options available. Once you have created your event, you can find a direct link that takes you to the tickets page. Alternatively, you can navigate to the View Event page and locate the Controls drop-down menu. From there, simply select Manage Tickets. Here, you can create new tickets and view all the tickets you've created. You can also easily edit your tickets if necessary. To create a new ticket, start by entering the name of the ticket in the Ticket Name field. This can be anything you choose, such as General Admission, VIP, or Early Bird. Next, specify the number of tickets available for purchase in the Count field. This can help you manage ticket sales and prevent overselling. Then, enter the price of the ticket in the Price field and select the currency in which you want to sell the ticket from the Currency drop-down menu. This can help attendees understand the cost of the ticket in their own currency. You can choose any currency you prefer, such as US dollar, euro, or pound. Now, choose the date and time when the ticket sales will begin and end by selecting the appropriate options from the Start Date and End Date fields. If you want to provide more information about the ticket, you can enter a description in the Description field. Now click on the Save button. Here, you have the flexibility to create multiple tickets for your event. You can easily manage and view the list of tickets right on this page. If you ever need to make changes or remove a ticket, simply use the available icons for editing or deleting respective tickets. Finally, EventYob makes it easy to manage your tickets by allowing you to make changes to multiple tickets at once. Simply use the Change All option to edit a specific field across all of the tickets you've already created. For example, let's say we want to adjust the price for all the tickets. With a single update, the price field will be automatically modified for all the tickets, as you can observe here. That's it for creating tickets. Remember, you can always come back and edit your tickets as needed.